All right. Go ahead and get the truck out there on the course. Give us just a second to make sure the cameras are ready, okay? Check, you about ready? Okay, hold on just a second. Jesse, are you ready with the cameras? Okay, cameras ready? Drivers ready? Go on your first hit. It's timer start on your first one. All right, on the clock. Trent with the big foot, tracks his stampede. Coming for the big jump. Ooh, big air! Oh, and your rolls are over. One roll. You have 1:17 left. Try to pace that clock out a little bit, all right? All right, back on the clock. You have 1:10 left. There you go. Good run, Trent. Good run. Over the racing lanes, nice and smooth. He's gonna line it up for the big jump. A little backup move. You know it's gonna be big now. Watch out! Oh, perfect transfer. 45 seconds left on the clock. Trent with the big foot, coming out, starting off freestyle with a bang. He's still rolling around, keeping her smooth. See if we can get some stunts out of him. A little reverser, nice job. 30 seconds left. Little wheelie over the racing ramp. There you go, he's getting her lined up for something big. 20 seconds left. Gotta get her done quick. What's he gonna do? 15 seconds left, nice big air hit. He's gonna land up, looks like he's going for something else here. 7 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And he's gonna end it on a save. Trent with Bigfoot. Let's build the clock on the first run. Good job, young man. Got Mike with Dragon Slayer. Let me get the timer set up here. All right, cameras, are you ready? All right. On your first hit, timer will start. Dragon Slayer. Classic truck from the 90s. Craig Christensen. Ooh, big tumble to start off the run. Oh, does he save it? Nope, one roll. 1:25 left. Little wheel stand action. All right, we're back on the clock. Whoa, half a backflip and a full flop with 1:17 left. It happens. It happens. All right, cameras ready? All right, you can start on your first hit whenever you want, Cody. The classic gray special edition Clodbuster out here putting on a freestyle. Ooh, a little stoppy action to get her started. Nice, set her down smooth. He's creeping, watch out. He's up to no good. Ooh, slack wheelie. Good slack wheelie. Over the bus stack. Oh, he's just climbing and crashing through the buses. The retro truck. That truck is as old as I am. 1987, the Clodbuster came out, and he's out here freestyling with it in 2023. Great job. 57 seconds left, Cody. Smooth run, nice and consistent, controlled. Wheel stand in it. Great job with the Clodbuster. Ooh, nice. Let's see if we can hit that big ramp with this guy. Oh, he pulled it back. Nice job. The hard body does him a little bit of a favor. It's a wheel standing machine. It is a wheel standing machine. Goodness, tearing it up. Off the big cinder. Whoa! He saved it. Good job. 20 seconds left. Got time for another big move or two. Oh, wheel standing it. Quad buster, man. Classic. Look at that big air. Great transfer. 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the quad buster fills the time. Great run. Great run for the old truck. All right, we got a 9. 8. And an 8. Chaos has ensued already on this freestyle course. Carnage. It's fine. They're meant to be crunchy. All right. All right. Cameras ready? Cameras are ready? Go on your first hit. Timer will start then. All right. Jacob's on the clock with the lowrider. This truck's been on the tour for quite a while now. Jacob tends to be one of our wildest drivers, so get ready. Nice little transfer into the wall, keeps it rolling. Whoa! Oh! Minute 10 on the clock on that roll. Still have 1 roll left. Yep, reverser, back on the clock. All right, nice transfer over the double. 1 minute left. Great run so far. 1 rollover. Over the backside. Doubles it backside. Great rolling. Oh, and, and 2 rolls. 45 seconds left. Great run, dude. Scores 5. How old are you, man? 13. All right, we have a 13-year-old driving here because below the age of driving. Let's see how he does. Go on your first hit, man. Clock starts on your first hit. All right, we're on the clock, my friend. The ECX Amp. A classic ready-to-run RC car. Oh, 1 tumble already. You have 1 minute and 20 on the clock still, my friend. Keep it smooth and consistent. Try to make some moves. There you go. Good run. Nice run around the outside. Gonna back it up. Looks like he's gonna line her up for the big jump. Good send with the ECX. Stuck in the car pile, but he pulls it out. 1 minute left, my friend. Doing really good so far. Nice little air time. Bam! Backside to the car jump. Nicely done. 50 seconds left. Little 2-wheel. Oh, and he rolls it. 48 seconds left. Good run, young man. Got a 5.
That's good.
All right, Troy, you know the rules. You get 5 seconds. Make it count. Ready when you are. You're on the clock. Let's see what this guy can do. Oh, he's gonna hit the backflip. Nice, nailed it. That truck is dialed. And remember, everybody watching, this truck can be rented for racing or freestyle at any one of our events. So keep that in mind. 50 seconds. Nice little barrel roll. Backflip number 2. Oh, he saved it. Double. Just backflipping all over the place. There's 1 roll. You got 22 seconds. Nice little slap wheelie. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And left with the backflip. Nice. Build out the clock with one roll.
All right. Kyle, you know the drill, my man. Camera's ready? All right, go on your first hit. Whenever you're ready, clock starts. All right, you're on the clock, my friend. Kyle with the Bigfoot number. What is it, 14? Yeah. The old flame fire paint job. Look at that air. Great jump. That was awesome. All right, great sky wheel standing up on the back wheels there. Classic Bigfoot. Yeah, keeping her clean. Good job. 1 minute left. No rolls so far. Kyle's doing a good job out here, guys. Yeah, good transfer. Ooh, he pulls it down. Nicely done. 50 seconds left, and the backflip. Hits the flip. Perfectly done. See what he hits next. Sending her big. Doubles over the jump. Great little slap wheelie there. All right, 30 seconds left. All right, great jump right there. Smooth run, no rolls so far. 20 seconds left. Wow, transfers the whole triple. He is out here putting on a show, you guys. Whoa, and saved it. Good run. Bigfoot, 14. There's a roll right at 5 seconds. You still got just a little bit of time. One more run, one more trip. All right, back on the clock. 5 seconds left. One more trip. And time for Bigfoot. Great run. Great run. All right, Rich, go on your first hit, my friend. Looks like he's going to set up for something special with the reverse flip. Oh, can he save it? All right, right off the bat, 1:25 left. All right, back on the clock for him. And, oh, that's going to be it. 1:20 left. That was a short run. Two. Trent, you are on deck with the White Claw and the Chris with Songa Digger. All right. Let me get her set. Cameras over ready. Yes. Okay. Good. All right. Go on your first hit, Darren. All right. You're under your clock. Torres, S&T10. Whoa. Yeah, reverser. There you go. Nice little wheel stand. Sometimes accidents are better than the real thing. You know what I mean? There you go, good air. Ooh, and a roll for Torres. 1:10 left on the clock. And we're back underway. Back on the clock. Oh, and another. Oh, he saves it. Great save. Great save from the Torres. Nice, sky wheelie. 50 seconds left, Darren. One rollover so far. Lining up for the big air. Whoa, look at that backflip. That was cool. Whoa, nice send over the car jump. Another big send with a little stoppy. He's putting on some technical moves today, you guys. This is probably the best freestyle I've seen out of Darren. Great run so far. Wow. Oh, saves it with 15 seconds left. 2 rolls. Great run for Darren.